Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to check your iPhone storage on iPhone. So here, if you want to check the storage on your iPhone, you just need to open your settings, and right after that you just need to scrolling down until you found the general section, and now you just need to go click them. The next thing you need to do is just go scrolling down again until you find this iPhone storage, and then you just need to click it, and they will be show you the storage of the iPhone that you have, which is this iPhone. My device has 128 gigabyte. So from this size I already use like 94.86 gigabyte, and from that you will see also what takes your space in a big size. There will be like in applications, photo, mail, iOS, and system data. So it means that the application takes a lot of space on my phone, and then you just need to analyze what application that take a lot of space. You'll see here I use most of my space for my photo as well as YouTube and my WhatsApp. So that is the way how to check your iPhone storage. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.